Well, let's talk about a multiplier. Has there been a multiplier that you've used personally, professionally, as you've grown now several businesses and doing what you do and maybe your career?
I think the biggest multiplier, Tom, is learning to listen to feedback and find mentors to help you, whether it's somebody you're paying for a coaching situation, or you're reaching up to someone who's willing to mentor you on a once a month basis, whatever, and listen to their ideas, listen to their feedback, because we never would have grown pretty much all of this if we hadn't sought out mentors, listened to them, and slowly but surely putting in place pieces of their advice. So that's definitely something that I would say.
Yeah. Yeah.